I, Justin Muturi.
Akiria muhitwa wa gutungata mumemba wa kamiti ya kurumbuiya wandikani na mitugo ya acirithania JSC.
171 to paragraph E.
Munene wa watho Justin Muturi augite ni thagathagite gukinyanĩria motungata ma kiwatho thirikari-ini atekwenderera mwena oro wothe.
On this my first day with you, may I assure you of my full and unwavering support and commitment towards the fulfillment of the role of this commission.
Muturi uria wihitithirio ta munene wa watho ndundu-ini ya Minister Kiumia kihituku egutungatira JSC kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 iria ingiongererwo angiamurwo ringi ta munene wa watho ni president.
I have no doubt that through such diverse collegial exchanges and interactions we will make considered and informed decisions that shall be geared towards safeguarding the independence of the judiciary while ensuring that judges and other judicial officers remain fully accountable to the people of Kenya.
JSC yubitwo ni acirithania 10 aria ni hamwe na mucirithania munene na munini wake, munene wa watho, mawakiri eri, mumemba umwe wa kamiti ya uruti wira wa muingi na eri makirugamirira muingi, kuria nake registrar wa igoti atungataga ta mwandiki munene kamiti-ini ino. Agitugiria ikinya riri mucirithania munene Martha Koome augite ari na Muturi ena utaramu muiganu ruhonge-ini rwa magoti.
I am certain you will be a valuable team player in the commission, and you will serve as a link between the commission and the executive branch as we work towards the realization of the constitutional mandate of the Judicial Service Commission.
Hari wira uria munene wa watho athukirwo kamiti-ini ino ni gutara thirikari ikiro-ini cia president ona macira marakuruhania thirikari. Iguru wa uguo munene wa watho no atabania motungata mangi agithukirwo ni president kana kugerera watho wa bunge. Muturi ohori na kibaro gia kugitira watho na ihoto cia muingi na no igire cira-ini o wothe rakuruhania thirikari ari ta murata wa igoti.
We know you absolutely understand the issues, the challenges that we are facing within the administration of justice, and we truly look forward to working with you.
As a commission, we have the primary duty of ensuring that our courts and our judges are better enabled to undertake these functions, and that they are also held to account in the performance of their roles.
Thirikari ni ireherire wathani rungu rwa uria urari munene wa watho Paul Kihara. Thirikari ni irekorire gikuruhana na ruhonge rwa magoti makiria igeri-ini ria gutabania mogaruruku gatiba-ini kugerera BBI. Cira-ini uria Kihara angethirwo na njira nene agikwo kwa gutara thirikari wega mitaratara ya kurehe mogaruruku gatiba-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.